Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with materials and a plan. Lightly sketch a horizontal guideline and mark pupil centers. This ensures symmetry. Draw the basic almond contour and indicate the tear duct. These are your anchors. Once done, map the eyelid folds with gentle, curved strokes to show thickness. Make sure to keep pressure low so you can refine shapes, soft pencils, to be build value later. This quick structure prevents proportional errors and gives you a clear roadmap for adding lashes, iris detail, and shadows next. You now define the eye's focal point, the iris and pupil. Darken the pupil fully but preserve one or two crisp highlights. These create life. Shade the iris with radial strokes, varying pressure to suggest texture. Blend slightly, keeping striations visible. Once done, add the upper eyelid cast shadow to anchor the eye in space. This subtle shadow makes the eyeball appear spherical. Make sure to transition values smoothly from light to dark. Use the blending stump selectively to avoid losing visible texture. You finish with eyelashes, skin detail, and final value tweaks. Apply lashes in small clusters, angling outward and varying length. Never draw them all parallel. Refine skin folds and the lower lid shadow to ground the eye. Use a kneaded eraser for crisp highlights on the waterline and tear duct. If proportions look off, don't panic. Lift 10 to 20% of tone with the eraser, then rebuild confident lines. This corrects shape and restores contrast. When satisfied, darken final edges and step back to evaluate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.